Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Hobbies and Craft. In today's project, I'm supposed to make a jewelry box. Okay, so I faced a little challenge on this project. I have an incomplete mold. So after making this, pouring and all and making this project, I discovered after the molding that the components were not complete. So I could not fix the molds together. I could not fix the results together, and that sort of made it very useless, or I don't even know what to do with it. Maybe I'm going to turn it into a storage jar or something. But that was a challenge I faced on this project. Every other thing went well. The resin was okay, everything went well, except the fact that after I demolded it, I discovered that I could not fix them together. And I already bought this mold like a long time ago. It was just there. I decided to use it this particular day, and I just found out that this happened. Of course, I reached out to the vendor, and the vendor said no, and there was a lot of disagreement, but I guess there was nothing I could do. Money wasted, resources wasted, time wasted, everything got wasted. Thanks for tuning into my channel. This is one of the challenges we face as resin artists, and I'm going to be sharing the wins and the bad times also. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching.
I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I always told your love for me. Yeah, it gon' never expire. She's my African mother, strong and pure. The shining light, yeah, always endure. Through every hardship and every trial, her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. Your love was always true. Your love was, she sacrificed so much for me. Sacrificed so much, so much. Your love was always true. Her love was always true. And I owe it all to you. And I know I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. Hey, I owe it all to you. Hey, I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need. She's my African mother, strong and pure. The shining light, yeah, always endure. Through every hardship and every trial, her love for me, yeah, it gon' never expire. Your love was always true. 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 I owe it all to you. I owe it all to you. I owe it all. I need to thank you. to you. I need to thank you. I need to thank you. I need to thank
Okay, so as you can see, there's a hole that's supposed to join the three modes together, but I don't have anything to join them together, so it cannot be fixed, and you have to be used individually, which is not supposed to be so. You can see the hole by the side. It's supposed to join the three together, but I don't have a mode for that, or I don't have anything to join them together, and so they're just like this individually, and I don't know what to do. It's just there. Maybe I'm going to use them as individual storage or something, or just keep things on it, something. I'll find a solution to it someday, but this is what I have, just the three components separately. Okay, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much.